Today we'll show you how to create account on Roblox. Okay, this is an app of Roblox. Just now we need to go to create account and click. Okay, guys, follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, you can here put your birth date, what you want. Okay, just here you can put like a birth date. Okay, just like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, first, and now choose like this a random. Okay, create that confirm anniversary. Okay, click, and here put your username to open with it. Okay, just you can put like LEGUTO guide new. Okay, 2026. Okay, just here put your password to be you can remember it. Okay, guys, just here you can choose you are mole or fame. Okay, just I need to mole, and now create a account. 1 second. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Okay, now we wait a few seconds for creating it. Okay, now I think now it's good. Okay, welcome. Now we have an account in Roblox. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and text me what you want in Roblox, like a tutorial or a guide or learning it. Just put in the comments and share this video, and thank you for watching.